sorry, I found it upstairs. Just be grateful. Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, whichever it is. It's good to see you. Today we have a little motivational video. It's all about consistency, a little bit of law of attraction. Got a few tips on never giving up and all of that good stuff. So, I know why you clicked this video. You obviously clicked this video because you want to change your life, okay? You obviously feel like you're the type of person who always gives up and you just want to master that. Listen guys. I got you. Okay? I got you guys. It's all about maintaining a certain mindset and maintaining that energy that helps you get grounded and it helps you like connect with what you really need to do. So if you're interested in finding out about that, then make sure you watch to the end of the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Make sure you share it with a friend, share it with a friend, share it with a cousin, with a sister, with a brother. Just share it. So for the first point, you need to make sure you need to be shifting your focus, okay? So with that being said, what I mean is maybe obsessing too much about one thing that you want to change in your life, because obviously it's only one thing. You're gonna be so focused on that. Like having a clear vision is of course very necessary. You need a clear vision. It's very important that you have a clear vision so you can subconsciously gravitate towards the life that you want to live or towards whatever you're trying to achieve or whatever you're trying to manifest. But if we obsess over the vision that we have and things don't go to plan, we as humans, we feel very discouraged. So we will get very discouraged very quickly. Obviously some of us quicker than others, some not, but either way we do get discouraged. And those emotions, they block our manifestations because the feeling, it's so intense. Like we then focus on the fears and not reaching the goals and just not being able to live the life that we want to live, or not being able to buy the car that you want to buy, not being able to get the job that you want, you know, whatever it is. Like, moving on, you also want to make peace with, you need to make peace with whatever you're basically trying to manifest or change. Just be grateful. Be grateful for where you are at, even if it's not the best, because we're obviously trying to manifest and we're obviously trying to be consistent at being what we want to be. So it's gonna seem a bit backwards. It is, trust me. But the thing is, right, if you don't appreciate where you are at right now, then, like, just hear me out. If you don't appreciate where you are at right now, what makes you think that you deserve more or you deserve better? See what I'm saying? So with money, I know it's money for a lot of people. With money, if you don't appreciate what you have, why do you deserve more? If you don't say to yourself, look, things aren't the best, I get that. I want more money, but it's okay. Because at the moment right now, I can pay my bills. I live in a house, for starters, or a flat, apartment, studio. You live somewhere, you have a roof over your head. If you do, obviously, so be grateful for that, for starters, because there's a lot of people out there who don't even have that. And you're complaining because it's only a 1-bedroom. Like, it's not complaining, I get it, because you're trying to just manifest more, you want more for yourself, and that's understandable, that's fine. But don't forget to appreciate. Yeah, moral of the story is, if you sorry, I just ran upstairs. If you basically try to manifest on negative thoughts, the negative thoughts are going to take over. You are going to manifest negative thoughts. When you try to visualize that dream life, you will still have the negative thoughts in your head taking over, saying all the mean things and all the things that you just don't want to hear. And because you haven't, like, just be grateful for them, acknowledge them, whatever, it's harder for your mind to subconsciously fight all of those thoughts off. So say for example, even if you just manifested that you would like to wake up more peacefully in the morning, and just have a good morning, and the next day you woke up and it didn't happen, because things don't just happen like that. Not always, sometimes it does. If you don't accept it for what it is, and you just say, oh, I want the good morning, and you don't say, and you don't like accept the fact that, oh, my mornings aren't the best, I wake up in a bad mood, I'm always tired, but that's okay because I wake up and I'm grateful for living the next day. Just like that, just accept it, just appreciate it. Like I said, appreciate the fact that you woke up. Your mind's just going to tell yourself, if you're just all negative and you don't do that, your mind's just going to tell yourself, well, why would I have a good morning? My mornings are always like crap. Like, you see what I mean? Like, you have to train your mind. Like, you have to fight off those thoughts. And to fight off those thoughts, you need to accept and be grateful for the crap it's trying to throw at you. To summarize with all of these thoughts in your head, the ones that are obviously the little voice in your head that are telling you it's not going to work, you're not going to get it, whatever the case may be, they will get stronger every single day. As you're trying to be more positive and fight them off, they're going to get stronger. It will get harder. You just need to keep going, okay? Even if you take yourself away and you breathe and you just talk to yourself, just do it. Just acknowledge it. Quick bit of homework, then we're on to the next bit. If you really want to find a way to combat this strongly, what I suggest you do is, so basically, for each one negative thing, I want you to say 5 positive things. And that could go for anything, whether you're trying to manifest or even just in general. If something bad is happening to you, if you wake up and have a bad morning, okay. Like, if you wake up and you feel really tired and you feel so tired that is like the negative that is going to ruin your day, please think of 5 positives, otherwise you will not get over that one negative. Our negative feelings are so strong that it will overpower us into literally having to come up with multiple positive things to get rid of the one bad thing. So if then 3 things happen and it's like, oh, you know what they say, all bad things come in through. Okay, that may be true, but then it just means that you need to think of 15 positive things, okay? Because remember, every 5 for 1 negative. So 5 times 3, 15. You know what, I had this so well planned out, everything's just rolling into the next thing, I love it. With us writing things down, scripting and journaling. This is something I have been doing as of recent, honestly. So it's more controlling, because it's not just random thoughts in your head, the thoughts are on paper and it's very clear. With scripting, say for example, something that I've done as of recent is just manifesting a productive morning. That's kind of where I had the idea from earlier, obviously, about the mornings. It's just about how I really handle my mornings. I want them to be more peaceful with production. Like, whenever I try to be productive, I'm just chaotic. What the scripting is good for is a venting source. A lot of people like to vent. Some people don't get to vent. So especially like people think venting is just like actually like screaming, da da da. Like that's not just the way to vent. Like obviously some people do vent to God, that's out loud or in their head, whatever. Scripting is a good way. That's why it's like scripting slash journaling, because obviously writing things down helps. Okay, it helps. Put on top. Writing things down helps. With venting, you just need to have a bit of structure as well. Just be open and honest. Just get your frustrations out. Why isn't this happening for me? It's happening for so and so. Sometimes all we need is the moment. Just that moment to get it all out, so it's not all built up and helping those negative thoughts. So all in all, we just need to be patient with ourselves. We need to be honest with ourselves. We need to kind of be in the moment, if that makes sense, if we can. So say like with venting, get it all out when you can. If you can in the moment, write it down in your head, speak, like talk in your head, whatever. Structure it. Why isn't this happening for me? So and so, da da da. Okay. Because it will come in due time. We all have our paths that we will go down, and we all have obstacles that will be on our way, but we will have our time. We will have our time, okay? But sometimes there are things we can do just to help us jump on the right path and give us a push head start, alright? And that's all I'm like really trying to say in this video. Helping you with your consistency when you feel like giving up. Just helping you with motivation, you know. I didn't really get too deep into the law of attraction. I just wanted to touch over some points very quickly. But if you guys did enjoy that, let me know in the comments. Leave a like, comment, of course. And I will do more videos like this. I do love a bit of law of attraction, not gonna lie. So, like I said, that is the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got some really good tips from this. I hope it does help you guys out. Please let me know if any of you guys try this. I just want to know like how it worked for you, or if you felt like there's something else that helped you that I didn't say. Maybe we could just discuss in the comments what we all do, like different types of techniques and stuff to help with consistency, staying on top of things, and all of that good stuff. But yeah, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. It feels right when